Hey, Keith Townsend, Principal of the CTO Advisor. We're continuing our series of AWS Everyday for as many days as it takes to get through all of AWS's currently 238 products. We're focusing the first series on IoT Core and extending that out to the additional sub-solutions under IoT Core. Basically the same solution across different verticals. Yesterday we talked about Fleetwise, which focused on automakers. Today we're talking about Sitewise. Similar approach. Nothing's changed. We have a agent that we install on a manufacturing system. That agent collects data such as temperature, vibration, output, etc., uploads that data that you select up to the AWS MQTT service, the message queue service. Then you can transact on that data. Very basic concept, but tools tailored to OT, operational technology, versus IT, information technology. At the end of the day, a OT operations wants to understand what's the impact on temperature, on the quality of the product that we manufacture. AWS is providing the tooling from an analytics and application development perspective in Sitewise to do the ETL and analysis needed for you to make business decisions. This is where AWS is showing their application muscle versus just their infrastructure muscle. Sure, it's great that they're helping you get the data up to the message queue to transact with, but wouldn't it be better if they provide a set of tools for you to actually get business answers? And that's where we're starting to see the differentiation in the IoT services. Fleetwise, tooling geared towards car manufacturers. Sitewise, tooling and application tooling services geared towards OT, or operational technology, manufacturing facilities. Continue to watch the series. We're going to wrap up IoT in a couple of days, and then we'll go into some of the other services. I think tomorrow is Greengrass, which is, again, another edge IoT product. You want to learn more about the CTO Advisor? Follow us on the web, thectoadvisor.com. Follow me on Twitter at CTO Advisor. DMs are open just in case you have any questions about these services.